Introduced to Userful a number of years ago by a number of the different screen manufacturers that we represent that offer the ultra-thin bezel monitors for video walls. We worked with the Aspen Properties group on a different project with a Userful solution for the Edison building. And they presented us with a unique problem that they had over at the tower, and that they wanted to build a theater but were limited in space. Low ceilings meant projection wasn't an option for us, and rear projection was definitely not an option because there was no space in behind where they wanted to put this immersive theater. So we came up with a design for 21 screens and have built a curved theater that offers the visitors an immersive experience.
And this is our theater room. We show 2 videos here, and we've been playing to full houses. The video theater room is full every day, every show. They show every 15 minutes, from 9 in the morning until 10 at night.
So the key advantages of the Userful solution for us were really the scalability and the flexibility of the system. The fact that we could mount the Zero clients behind the monitors, not take up a lot of room, have the service fairly close, without having to build a huge infrastructure in a space that was very limited. As a systems integrator, the Userful solution for us is a huge time saver and cost saver because we can configure everything through one central control center. We have all of the synchronization settings in front of us. We can calibrate, easily align things without having to worry about customizing inputs into each screen or having to configure multiple PCs. It's just a huge time and cost saver for us. So for managing the content, we set up some basic presets using the Userful Control Center so that they can easily manage the content. When there are large changes, they do come to us for some assistance if needed, but primarily it's done on their own. We have 21 ultra-thin bezel displays. They're 55 inches. The host PC is located in a server room just behind the wall, and all of the Zero clients are connected through the switch. Content-wise, right now we are showing primarily 4K video stretched across the 21 screens. The idea in the future is to produce some custom 8K footage that will be displayed across the screens.
I think that the fact that we're using a large video wall certainly enhances the experience for the public. They seem to really enjoy the screen that covers the entire wall, and that's especially true with the flyover video because it's quite spectacular seeing the Alberta scenery splattered across the whole wall. I've heard from some of the staff that they've actually had the public or the audience applaud at the end of the show. That's probably a good indication. Certainly has been well received, and it certainly has become one of our main features here at the Calgary Tower this summer.